singing in the rain.
Hollywood loved romantic musicals like Singing in the Rain, Seven Brides for Seven Brothers, Student Prince, Showboat, South Pacific, Oklahoma, Lily, Gigi, White Christmas. More Broadway hits invaded the movies. West Side Story, Cabaret, Hello Dolly, Oliver, Moulin Rouge, The King and I, Chorus Line, Phantom of the Opera, Les Miserables, Miss Saigon, Chicago, all Oscars Hall of Famers.
Today I had the feeling a miracle would happen. I know now I was right. For here you are, and what was just a world is a star tonight. A whole new world.
The Walt Disney's animated musicals Aladdin, Beauty and the Beast, Lion King, Little Mermaid, Tarzan, Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Mulan, and Pocahontas gained world acclaim.